Meditation is a practice widely recognized for its great benefits on helping reduce stress and anxiety, balance sleep and concentration, improving mood and well-being. Meditate is mainly concentrating, directing your mind to reach awareness and calmness. Guided meditation is recommended for beginners. Usually you follow a voice guidance. This can be a teacher, a recording of your own or someone else's voice, which will guide to reach meditative experience state. Mindfulness meditation helps you shifting from thinking to sensing. Instead of dwelling on the past or anguish about the future, this practice encourages you to be aware of your immediate experience. Without judging, it helps you to detach from your thoughts, just allowing them to be. Mantra meditation. In this meditation, the mantra is the main focus of your attention. A chant, word, phrase or syllable. Repeat the mantra for a few minutes. If you get distracted, just bring your awareness to the mantra and continue repeating to sets of 9 or 28 minutes. Candle gazing meditation is the one in which you keep your eyes open, focusing on a point. More frequently used as a lit candle flame. This practice helps increase concentration and brings energy to your third eye chakra. Chakra meditation is used to promote your body's health through the 7 chakras or energy centers, keeping them aligned, balanced and fluid. It is believed that unbalanced chakras can cause physical or mental health problems. Meditating on the chakras, bring them back to harmony, promoting a healthy body and mind. Kundalini meditation uses meditative techniques to strengthen the nervous system, by bringing awareness to yoga practice, paying attention to your breath in the present moment. Spiritual meditation is the mindful practice of believing that we are connecting to something that is greater, vaster and deeper than the individual self. Transcendental meditation practice is sitting with your eyes closed for 28 minutes twice a day, repeating a set of personal words usually given to you by a transcendental meditation teacher or master. These help you overcoming your current life problems or transcend to higher consciousness state. Vipassana meditation or insight meditation practice is basically sitting in silence, trusting that in a bigger scheme of things, everything happens for a reason, and noticing the rising of any mental or physical sensations. Focusing on deeply breathing, it leads you to find insight into the nature of reality, by rejecting on all current aspects of your life. Visualization meditation. In this meditation you picture vividly someone or something in your mind, excluding everything else. You spend some time in this image. Use your senses to boost your results, overflowing it with positive energy. This practice leads you to achieve your goals. Join us on our next one.